The power steering pump in a car is a key part of the power steering system, which assists drivers in turning the steering wheel with less effort. Here's a simplified breakdown of how it works. 1. Power source. The power steering pump is driven by the car's engine via a belt. As the engine runs, it spins the belt, which turns the pump, creating hydraulic pressure. 2. Hydraulic fluid pressurization. The power steering pump contains hydraulic fluid, which it pressurizes and sends to the steering gear. Inside the pump, vanes or gears pressurize the fluid as it flows through a specially designed pump chamber. 3. Assist in steering. The pressurized fluid flows through hoses to the steering gear, where it applies pressure to one side of the gear, depending on which direction the driver turns the wheel. This pressure helps turn the wheels more easily, reducing the amount of physical force the driver needs to apply to the steering wheel. 4. Returning fluid. After assisting in steering, the fluid flows back to the pump's reservoir, where it's ready to be pressurized again. The pump keeps this cycle going as long as the engine is running. 5. Pressure control. Many power steering pumps also have a pressure relief valve to prevent the pressure from building up too high, which helps protect the system from damage. By using hydraulic pressure, the power steering pump makes it easier to steer the car, especially at low speeds or while parking.